Does size really matter? Does the size of your manhood really matters? That is what I am going to explain to you in this video. It is better for me to tell you the real truth about size so that maybe you have the smaller one, don't worry. If you have the bigger one, don't worry. But for those that have the smaller one, you don't need to bother yourself. I will tell you one secret so that your woman out there will enjoy having you. You that have the smaller type, don't worry. I will give you one tip, tips and tools to satisfy your woman in today's video. So, does size matters? I have seen many women out there, a woman of let's say 28 years, some 38 years. One of them says that size matter because big size aid in pleasure. Yes, big size aid in pleasure. The other one says that his man has the smaller type, but she is always satisfied when they have intercourse. Why should someone with smaller type to satisfy a woman? Why? There must be a tip, tricks and tools. So that is what I am going to share with you people today. How can someone with smaller one satisfy a woman? So whether you have the bigger one or the smaller one, it doesn't matter. Size doesn't matter. Assuming you have the bigger one, you don't know how to use it. Does it matter again? Assuming you have rod and you don't know how to use it, what is the benefit or what is the gain? But once you have a smaller one like this, maybe this is about 5 inches or 5 point something inches, or let me say 6. Maybe you want to have 12, but you don't know how to use it. If you have 12, you don't know how to use it. What is the gain? But once you have 5 inches, you know how to use it. You are the best man. So how are you going to use smaller one to satisfy a woman? Very simple. Now, the tips, tricks and tools are: once you are with your woman, learn to compliment her to start with. Compliment her by, baby, you are beautiful, you are good. Start touching her. It's your woman. Touch her. That time, scientifically, for a man to reach orgasm is 4 minutes. But for woman, it is double. That is maybe 8 minutes or 10 minutes or thereabouts. So use their 4 minutes to compliment, to touch her, to care her body. Make sure that it's up to that 4 minutes so that the equation will balance. Then the remaining 4 minutes when she will get to orgasm will be when you will enter her. I bet you she must be satisfied. But once you come and enter, your own 4 minutes, you come out, she can never. So for you to satisfy a woman, you must learn to handle her. Not once you come, yeah, you put, you come out. No. It's not proper. So in summary of today's video, size does not matter. What matters is the mode of application. What matters is how you did the job. And what matters is the way you cares you touched, compliment, take your time to make her wet before going in. That your partner must love you, whether you have smaller size. So size doesn't matter. What matters is how you use your own tool. What matters is how you use your own manhood or joystick. So I hope you like this video, and I hope you get value from this video. If you do well to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good video like this. But before I stop this video, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos about men. So if you want to know more about men, subscribe once again. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.